How to create an abstract vector flower. We're going to start with the star tool, which can be found down the left here. Click anywhere on the artboard. We'll start with 50 here and see how that looks. Center your star. To make it bigger, grab the corner, hold Shift and Alt and drag. Make a gradient, any colors you like. We're going to copy and paste in place, so do Ctrl-C and then Ctrl-F. Now holding Shift and Alt and dragging again, we're going to make this one smaller. Ctrl-A to highlight everything, then go to Object, Blend, Make. Then go to Object, Blend again, and go to Blend Options. Change the spacing to specified steps, and we'll try 50 again. Now go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Tweak. These sliders pretty much just control the size, so we'll leave them. You can now go back to Object, Blend, and Blend Options. Try out some different steps. I think I prefer the 50. If you double click on the center here, and then click again, you can drag this out. We can also change our gradient. Just have a play around until you get something that you like the look of.